Welcome to Nana's Shipping Container channel. We're already up to part 9. What I forgot to mention before is that here in South Australia you need to have 2 water tanks. One large one for yourself and a smaller one for firefighters to use. So that was another unforeseen cost. I also bought a small shed, somewhere to store firewood. I'd never had a pot-belly stove before though, and soon realised that shed wasn't going to be big enough, so I just use it for storage now. How things change. The retaining wall I had in place wasn't retaining the soil, so I had to remove it, and came up with the idea of using metal screening, thinking it looked nice. It looked nice, but it still didn't retain the soil and started to lean. So as soon as I could access my next lot of super, I had it removed. This time I had someone help me. They always made a mess of the drive. It was difficult for the digger to get in. Even more difficult to manoeuvre the auger part. He had a nifty gadget attached to enable him to do the job. With the wall gone and the new cement retaining wall in place, finally the soil was retained. The house was getting there. It's so dusty here because of the sandy soil, so I put some artificial grass down to help a bit. The monitor returned. Not sure if it was the same one though. This one looked a bit smaller, I think. I went shopping for a gazebo as it was too hot over summer for Mum to sit outside. I got some more second-hand pavers off Marketplace and started to pave the side of the house. Things had become very tricky as my Mum's condition had deteriorated, and a few months later she died. I miss both my parents and will never forget the amazing people they were. Ricky and Dylan came up to help me and they did a great job, even though they messed around a bit. I don't think we should give them a hammer. Ricky's taking a break. It must be lunchtime. Then we had the driveway levelled yet again for the garage to be put in. But to put in the garage we needed another retaining wall to this side. They are so expensive. But now Christie's Mustang was under cover. And I didn't waste the metal panels. I made a fence out of them to keep the dogs in. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share.